In this video, we are going to learn about estimation and significant figure. What is a significant figure? We know that there are 10 digits in our mathematics: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Among them, 0 is a non-significant figure or insignificant figure, and the rest 9 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are significant figures. So 4872, this number is written in 4 significant figure. If you are asked that write 4872 in 3 significant figure, how to write it? You will focus here, these 3 digits, you will write these 3 digits 4, 8, 7, and you will check this digit. Is it greater than or equal to 5 or less than 5? This is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So we will simply put a 0 here. And what would happen if it was number greater or equal 5? We will see that in the next example. Here you are asked that write 4872 in 2 significant figure. The first 2 figure we see here 48, and the rest figures will be insignificant. You will check the number immediately after 8. 4, 8, 2 significant figures. We wrote them and we are checking the third figure. This is 7. Is it greater than or equal to 5 or less? This is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So this 8 will increase by 1. We will write 9 in the place of 8. And the rest 2 digits will turn into 0. So 4872 in 2 significant figure, we will call it 4900. What is the concept of significant figure? This is like that. You went to a shop, you bought some items, the price had become 4872 taka. Then the shopkeeper may say that give me 4870 taka. He may not take the 2 taka. Same case, 4872 in 2 significant figure is 4900. For example, you bought a shoe with 4872 taka inclusive VAT. The price was 4872. So a friend asked you that your shoe is beautiful, how much it is? So would you say 4872 or you simply say 4900? This is the use that you are expressing this value as 2 significant figure 4900. Or you can say that what is the price of your shoe? This is 5000 taka. 4872, if you call it at 1 significant figure, it will be 5000. How? Let's check. The third question here asked you that write 4872 in 1 significant figure. Here only 1 significant figure 4. We will write this figure 4 and the rest figures will be 0, we know that. And we will check the digit immediately after 4. This is 8. Is it greater than or equal to 5 or not? This 8 is obviously greater than 5. So this 4 will increase by 1 and we will write here 5 instead of 4. And the rest number will be 0. This is the case of significant figures. Now we will see some examples, those type of maths who appear in your Cambridge O-level exam. Estimate correct to 1 significant figure. Question number 1, 4.03 square into 29.88 root over 150. In this type of questions, we will take the significant figures which are more suitable. For example, 4.03, we will take it at 1 significant figure 4 square into 29.88. What is the nearest one significant figure? 2 and after that a 9. So this is greater than 5. So in place of 2 we will write 3, 0, 30. 29.88. Instead of this we will write 30 to one significant figure. And 150. Here we won't think about significant figures. We will think about which square number is nearest to 150. This is 144. 144 is the square number nearest to 150. So we can write 4 square means 16 multiplied by 30 divided by root over 144 means 12. In the videos where we talked about square and about cube, I told you that Cambridge expect you to have memorized the squares from 1 to 15 and their corresponding square roots. So you must know that 12 square equal to 144 and root over 144 means 12. We can divide them. 12 and 16 both can be divided by 4. If we divide 12 by 4 we get a 3. If we divide 16 by 4 we get a 4. If we divide 30 by 3 we get a 10. So finally the answer is 4 into 10, that means 40. This is our answer. And the answer we got in one significant figure. Now the second example, 8.62. 8.62, here we see 8 at one significant figure and the number immediately after that is 6, which is greater than 5. So we will write in one significant figure 9.0. 2.04 square, in one significant figure we will write simply 2 square. 0.285, 0. One significant figure we will write only the first figure 2. Immediately after that there is a 8. 8 is greater than 5, so this 2 will become 3, 0.3. So what will be the answer? 9 multiplied by 2 square means 4.3 means here I will write 3. For this decimal we will write a 1 and 1 digit after decimal, so we will write a 0 here. So we can divide 9 by 3, we get another 3. 3 into 4, 12 into 10, 120. This is our answer. And if you are asked that estimate correct to one significant figure, it will turn into 100. But I prefer to change the question here. Estimate in two significant figure. If we get the answer in two significant figure is 120.